Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Profitec 500. We replaced the solid state relay and this machine is working like a champ. There we go. Let's see. That's a nice shot coming out here. There we go. I'm going to cut the shot just a little short there. Nice. Exhaust. Let's check the steam. Quick little purge. You can see nice dry steam. Shuts right off. Hot water. Shuts right off as well. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.